everyone. Today we will do exercise 2.2 of unit 2, that is addition and subtraction. And here in this exercise we will be doing the word problems on addition. So let's begin. The first question is the number of persons who visited Kanyakumari in the year 2015 and 2016 was 25,37,615 and 40,88,294 respectively. How many persons visited Kanyakumari in these 2 years? Now here in this question, it is given that how many persons visited Kanyakumari in 2015 and in 2016, and we need to find that how many persons in all visited in these 2 years. So if we need to find the information about these 2 years, it means we need to add the numbers which are given here in the question for these 2 years. So persons visited Kanyakumari in 2015, 25,37,615. Then persons visited Kanyakumari in 2016, it is 40,88,294. Then therefore persons who visited in 2 years, and for that we need to add. So let's add 25,37,615 and 40,88,294. So here 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 plus 9 10, 0 here and 1 will get carried over. 6 plus 2 plus 1 carry is 9. Then 7 plus 8 is 15, 5 here and 1 will get carried over. 3 plus 8 plus 1 carry is 12, 2 here and 1 will get carried over. 5 plus 0 plus 1 carry is 6 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So it is 66,25,909. It means how many persons visited Kanyakumari in 2 years, that is in 2015 and 2016? 66,25,909 persons. Now next is question number 2. A factory produced 55,92,827 bulbs and pink bulbs and 42,67,985 milky bulbs. Now how many bulbs did it produce altogether? So which information is given in the question? About the bulbs produced by a factory. And what type of bulbs? Pink bulbs and milky bulbs. So the number of bulbs, that is pink bulbs produced by factory, is given, and number of milky bulbs produced by factory is also given, and we have to find that how many bulbs were produced all together. So for that we need to add. So let's do the solution. Pink bulbs produced by a factory, 55,92,827. Then milky bulbs produced by the factory, 42,67,985. Therefore bulbs it produced all together. For that we need to write these numbers in column form and we will have to add them. So 55,92,827 plus 42,67,985 will be, now let's see, 7 plus 5 12, 2 here and 1 will get carried over. 2 plus 8 plus 1 carry is 11, 1 here and 1 will get carried over. 8 plus 9 plus 1 carry is 18, and 8 we will write here and 1 will get carried over here. 2 plus 7 plus 1 carry is 10, 0 here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. 9 plus 6 plus 1 carry is 16, 6 here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. 5 plus 2 plus 1 carry is 8, that we will write here, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and the answer is 98,60,812. It means how many bulbs were produced by the factory? 98,60,812 bulbs. Now next is question number 3. There are 57,25,819 men, then 32,09,792 women, and 7,95,983 children in a city. Now what is its total population? So information about a city is given, that how many men, women and children are there in that city, and we have to find that what is the total population of the city. because population comprises of the people living over there. And who are the people? Obviously men, women and children. So we need to add all these numbers to find the total population. So men in a village, 57,25,819. Then women in the village, 32,09,792. And children in the village, 7,95,983. So total population of the village. So let's write all these numbers in the column form and then we will add all these numbers. So 57,25,819 plus 32,09,792 plus 7,95,983. Now let's do the addition. 9 plus 2 plus 3 is 14. 4 here and 1 will get carried over. 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 carry is 19. 9 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 carry is 25. 5 we will write here and 1 will get carried over. 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus this 2 carry is 21. 1 we will write here and 2 will get carried over. 2 plus 0 plus 9 plus 2 carry is 13. 3 here and 1 will get carried over. Now 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 carry is 17. 7 we will write here and 1 will get carried over. Now 5 plus 3 plus 1 carry is 9. So the answer is 97,31,594. So it means what is the total population of that village? 97,31,594. It means these many people live there in that village. Next is question number 4. In an election, 27,95,946 votes were found valid. 2,305 votes were found invalid and 305 persons did not vote. How many voters were registered in all? See, whenever there is an election, so people just vote, fine. So there are some people who do not vote and there are some voters whose votes are considered as invalid. So here in this question, an information regarding an election is given, that how many votes were valid, how many votes were invalid, and how many persons are there who did not vote. So we need to find how many voters were actually registered in all, means how many voters were supposed to cast their vote. So the number of votes that are valid, invalid, and the number of voters who did not vote, it means all these votes were actually registered, which should have been casted, but due to some reasons some votes were invalid and some voters did not cast their vote. So we need to find actually how many voters were registered or how many votes were supposed to be casted. So let's do the solution. First of all, valid votes in an election, 27,95,946. These were the valid votes. Then invalid votes, 2,305. Then number of persons who did not vote, 305. Therefore, total number of voters registered in all, we need to write all these numbers in column form and then we need to add. So 27,95,946 plus 2,305 plus 305. So 6 plus 5 plus 5 is 16. 6 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 carry is 5. 9 plus 3 plus 3 is 15. 5 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. 5 plus 2 plus 1 carry is 8. Here 9, 7 and 2. So what is the final answer? 27,98,556. It means how many voters were registered, how many voters were supposed to cast the vote in that election. So the number was 27,98,556. Now next is question number 5. In 2017, hand pumps were dug in drought areas. The government dug 3,25,712, then 1,80,025 and 97,509 hand pumps respectively in 3 different states. How many total hand pumps were dug in these states? Now, in 2017, due to drought, hand pumps were dug by the government in 3 different states. And how many hand pumps were dug in 3 different states? That information is given in these 3 numbers, through these 3 numbers. Okay, now we need to find that how many total hand pumps were dug in these states. So for that we need to add all these 3 numbers. Fine, so let's do the solution. Hand pumps dug in 3 states in 2017. This is 3,25,712, 1,80,025 and 97,509. Therefore, total number of hand pumps dug in these states. So we need to add. And how? First of all, we will just write all these 3 numbers in column form and then we will just begin the addition. So 2 plus 5 plus 9 is 16. 6 here and 1 will get carried over. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 carry is 4. 7 plus 0 plus 5 is 12. 2 here and 1 will get carried over. 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1 carry is 13. 3 here and 1 will get carried over. 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1 carry is 20. 0 here and 2 will get carried over. Now 3 plus 1 plus 2 carry is 6 and the final answer is 6,03,246 hand pumps were dug in these 3 states in 2017. Now next is question number 6. An examination board conducted 4 examinations in a year and the fees received from these examinations was rupees 7,85,812, rupees 99,871, rupees 82,090 and rupees 15,90,803 respectively. Find the total fees received by the board in that year. So here the information about an examination board is given, that the examination board conducted 4 exams in a year and the fee was collected. So for the 4 exams, how much fee was collected? That information is given here through these numbers and we need to find the total fees received by that board in that year. Fine. So how much fee that board received during that year? For finding that fee, we need to add all these numbers. So let's do the solution. The fees received from 4 examinations in a year, rupees 7,85,812, rupees 99,871, rupees 82,090 and rupees 15,90,803. Therefore, the total fees received by the board. For that, we need to write all these numbers in the column form and then we have to add them. So, let's arrange the numbers in column form. So, 7,85,812, then plus 99,871 plus 82,090 plus 15,90,803. Now let's begin the addition. 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 is 17. 7 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. 8 plus 8 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1 carry is 25. 5 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. Now 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 carry is 18. 8 will be written here and 1 will get carried over. Now 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1 carry is 35. 5 we will write here and 3 will get carried over to the next place. Now 7 plus 5 plus 3 carry is 15. 5 we will write here and 1 will get carried over to the next place. Now 1 plus this carry 1 will be 2. So the final answer is 25,58,576. So the board collected the fee for 4 examinations that is rupees 25,58,576. You can write it like this, rupees 25,58,576. So I hope you all would have understood the exercise 2.2.